This is grade 5, module 6, lesson 14. And the objective in this lesson is to construct parallel line segments and analyze relationships of the coordinate pairs. So we're looking at homework problem number 1, and it says use a coordinate plane below to complete the following task. So task A says identify the locations of M and N. So those are 2 points here. So we have M, which is located right here. So it is, the coordinates are 6 and let me just 3, 4. So 6, 4. I'll write that in. And point N is right here, which is 3, 6. Okay. B says draw line MN. So we're just going to connect those two. Okay, so there's line MN. And plot the following coordinate pairs on the plane. So we're going to do J, which is 5, 7. So let's go ahead and do that. And K, which is 8, 5. Okay. And we're going to connect those 2 points to form line JK. That's what D tells us to do. Okay. So it says circle the relationship between MN and JK. So this symbol right here looks like an upside down T is perpendicular, and these the symbol right here means are they parallel. So MN and JK, are they perpendicular or they're parallel? Well, looking at our picture that we drew, they're just parallel. Okay, and F says give the coordinates of a pair of points FG such that FG line FG is parallel to line MN. Okay. Just like we did in the previous lesson, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a right triangle out of points N and M. Okay. So the longest side of that triangle, or my hypotenuse, is NM. So if I was using my template, I would be able to slide my triangle down to create another parallel line. And I'm just going to show how I would do that with red, the placement of my new triangle in red. I'm going to use yellow. Okay, so that's where my new placement is, and I haven't drawn my hypotenuse yet, but I'm going to do my points, which are going to be the ends. I'm actually going to do those in dark blue. So that's 2 points that's going to be on the line parallel to MN. So I'm going to label this one F, and I'm going to label this G. Okay. And the coordinates for F is 3, 4. And the coordinates for G is 6, 2. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and draw a line connecting F and G. Okay. Here it is here. So that's line FG, which is also parallel to MN. So our students have been using the triangle template, but I found some of them cheating, which I actually liked because it's something that I want them to observe. So they looked at N here, and they said, oh, I can just go down 2 and over 3. So they saw the relationship here, so then for point F, they just went down 2 and over 3. So they didn't have to use a triangle to measure, and that's fine. That's perfectly acceptable to do. I was very happy that the students came up with that on their own. I didn't have to point it out to them.